Mark O'Connell here from Johnson & Perrott in Bishopstown, home of Jaguar Land Rover here in Cork. Today I'm introducing a new Land Rover Discovery that we do have in stock. This particular model is your aerodynamic, so you can see it's your front grille, your cut back front bumper. It does come with front fog lights, premium LED headlights. You also have your gloss black grille with your badging finished in black. As you take a look inside of the Land Rover Discovery, this particular model does come with 22-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. You do also have your black contrasting roof. Nice feature with the Land Rover Discovery is your keyless entry, so once your keys in your pocket or your handbag, hand on the door and it opens out. You do also have your roof rails. Take a quick look inside the boot. See, touch the button, you do have your powered tailgate, creating a nice spacious and deep boot. You do also have a 60-40 split through the rear back seats. Close the boot again, touch the button and it folds back down. In through the rear, as you can see, you do have your privacy glass. Open in the rear, you do have your two-tone Light Oyster and Ebony interior. Just take a quick look inside the cabin. It does come with memory seats, Meridian sound system, 22-way full electric seating with your captain's armrest. As we take a look inside the cockpit of the Land Rover Discovery, here we do have adaptive cruise control to the right hand side of the steering wheel, paddle gear shift and your wipers. To the left hand side, your onboard computer, your phone, your media, paddle gear shift, indicators and lights. Through the centre you do have live satellite navigation system. Through the middle here we have our Pivi Pro with live satellite navigation system again, your phone, your media, which does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and your media to the right hand side. Dual air conditioning on both sides. Both front seats are heated. You press in, it brings on the heated seats. You can also select your temperature. This particular model, put the Jeep into reverse. You see your reversing camera. You do also have a 360 surround camera. And a favourite feature of mine with the Land Rover Discovery here, you do have your sunroof. This particular model is unregistered and available for immediate delivery. If you do have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact myself or one of the sales teams here at Johnson & Perrott in Bishopstown.